How to change the belt on a John Deere L111. When you engage your mower deck on your John Deere L111, you should expect to hear a short squealing sound as the drive belt grips the pulleys on the engine and mower deck. However, if while mowing, you continue to hear this squealing, you must replace the drive belt as it has worn out and is now in danger of breaking. The process for changing the belt is straightforward, but you do have to remove the mower deck to complete the operation. Things you'll need: blocks. Disengage the mower belt drive via the lever located on the rear left fender of the L111. This slacks the belt and makes it easier to remove. Lift the mower deck to its top position with the deck height lever on right rear fender and then place a block under the sides of the mower deck. Lower the deck onto the blocks. Locate the drive pulley bolted to the drive shaft extending from the bottom of the engine and pull the drive belt off the pulley with your hands. Remove the cotter pins and washers from the linkage rod pins and then pull the linkage rods off the linkage rod pins. Slide the deck out from under the L111 mower. Draw a picture of the pulleys on the L111 mower deck and draw a diagram of how the belt routes around the pulleys. Pull the old belt off the pulleys and then place the new belt onto the pulleys following your drawing. Slide the L111 deck under the mower and reconnect the linkage rods, washers and cotter pins to the linkage pins. Place the drive belt around the drive pulley and then remove the blocks from under the deck.